Hello student, from this tutorial you're going to learn how to use CamSanner and how to upload into your classroom assignment. Alright, first of all you need to have this CamSanner. You can find it from Google Play. Alright, so click this. Right, as you can see there is a camera down here. This is my previous homework that I rename it as homework in one folder. That's the number of the photo that I have taken inside. Alright, next let's use this to take your work. Right, okay, let's say this is my homework. Just click page 1 and then page 2 and then page 3. Make sure you take a photo perfectly or nicely. Alright, next you can see you just continue from here. Okay, click. Alright, so I have page 1, page 2 and page 3 here. If you still have one more document to be scanned, you can click that, continue adding pages. But for now it's enough with 3 pages. So what you do, you just press this button. Alright, now you have already come to this page. So what I do, I usually quickly rename it. How to rename? I go on the top here, the 3 dots, and then go to rename. Let's do it as AB for activity books, and then put English, or you actually can put date and time if you need to. Now click OK. So the title already changed. If you go back to your main page here, you won't be confused. This one AB English, this one is homework. IB English has 3 documents inside. Alright, so what's next? We want to upload into classroom, right? So you click AB English. As you can see, the icon share button here. Right, click there, and you can choose to share PDF or share JPEG. Yeah, these two will do. Or you can share long image. It depends on your teacher which one they like. So for now I will just do PDF. I click PDF. Alright, it will come like this, and share via classroom. Right, click your classroom. So usually for your account you will have only this, but for me I have a few class, so I don't want to upload into your real class grade 7.2, so I go to demo class here. So I go to demo class. Now how to upload the document? Go to attach to assign. So look for the section, which one. So for me, let's try demo assignment. Alright, and while it's loading, you can see here you can drag it up. Good. As you can see, AB English is here in one PDF. But after trial I may not able to upload in one PDF. Maybe I have to upload 3 documents in one time. So yeah, just click hand in. Alright, and click hand in again. Alright, that's all. As you can see, work submitted day. You can unsubmit if you need to do some correction, or just leave it. Alright, that's all for now. Thank you.